Another top theme of Davos this year has been the question of how companies can actually boost their social engagement to try and not simply raise public trust in the corporate sector, but also have a more holistic approach to doing business for the benefit of their own employees too. Now, banks haven't necessarily been at the forefront of this initiative, but banks know that they have a really big problem right now with image. And so one of the very interesting developments has come out this week has been that Bank of America has teamed up with Bono and U2 to give money to the AIDS prevention program, or rather the initiative to try and stop HIV being passed from mother to children, in a fairly interesting way. Effectively what they're doing is running a series of ads during the Super Bowl that will encourage people to download U2's songs for free, and then Bank of America will donate money on top of some $10 million or so that Bank of America is giving to the Red Group, which is backing this HIV cause. Now, what's interesting about this initiative is not simply the fact that Bank of America is engaging in philanthropy, because of course it does a lot of philanthropy already, but rather that it's trying to do it in a much more holistic, proactive way, and working with groups like Bono, who frankly they probably wouldn't have dealt with in the past, to try and present an entirely new image of the bank, not just in terms of Africa, but also for the American public as well. So I would suggest we're going to see a lot more of that kind of initiative going forward, as some of the traditional silos between the aid world and the way that philanthropy defines its purpose and the corporate sector start to break down. This is Gillian Tett at Davos.